Welcome back to SketchUp Core. In our last episode, we explored cabinetry construction and installation. Today, we'll be moving to the visible personalities of our cabinetry. We'll be discussing our doors, finishes, and details of our cabinetry. Our cabinet doors set the tone and style of our kitchen. They are the face of our kitchen and they are more than just functional panels. The shaker cabinet door is known to have a recessed panel that works in both classic and modern kitchens. The panel is usually timeless and versatile. These are mostly used for traditional kitchens and they come in decorative and detailed styles. They add depth and character to our kitchens. Next, we're talking about our flat or our slab doors. These are for modern kitchens. They are clean, minimalistic, and sleek, like I said. And these are the basis of contemporary kitchen designs. Lastly, we'll be talking about our glass insert cabinet doors. These are open for kitchen visuals. They bring about the display opportunities and bring balance to our storage units for our kitchens. The door style is usually starts when it comes to our kitchen materials and finishes. The choice of our material brings about the personality of our kitchen and how durable the kitchen is going to look. The wood finish usually offers timeless character and it brings about warmth. You can have the stained or the clear coated wood and they highlight the beauty of the natural grain of our wood texture. The paint finish adds versatility to our kitchens. You can have a kitchen with a bold tone, so a neutral tone, and they usually shape the mood of our kitchen space. Our kitchen cabinet doors can come either as laminated or finished in veneer. They are usually smooth, durable, and cost-effective alternatives to some other finishes like the wood finishes. Then our kitchen cabinet doors can either be gloss or matte. The gloss cabinet doors tend to reflect light and are for bold modern cabinet styles or when you want a modern vibe for your kitchen. The matte feels more soft and elegant and it's usually calm and understated. Talking about our countertop, this is the connection between our cabinetry and our workspace. This is where functionality meets flow. We have our standard countertops and we have our waterfall countertops. For the standard countertop, they have to be durable and versatile. It can be available in different materials. It can come in granite, quartz, it can come in a laminated surface. Then you have the waterfall countertop. The waterfall countertop is a countertop that extends to the side of an island for a continuous look. And the beauty about this, it gives your kitchen a bold statement. The handles and hardware can be the final touch for our kitchen design. These are small details, but they play a very big impact in our kitchen designs. Our handles can vary from our classic knobs to our bar pulls to the recessed handles for integrated options, and each handle has a different style in every kitchen design. Our hardware finishes can come in chrome, brushed nickel, black matte, and brass. It's good to know that the placement of our handles matter. The horizontal holes for drawers and vertical for doors, or you can experiment with different handles and create a unique look for your kitchen. Our cabinet doors, finishes, countertop, and hardware tend to bring personality to our cabinetry. These help transform function into artistry and brings about aesthetics in our kitchen. And without some of these elements, our kitchen tends to look bare and empty. Episode will be wrapping up the kitchen design series by exploring backsplash and lighting design. That will be the final touch that brings about warmth, style, and atmosphere to the heart of the home, which is our kitchen space. This is SketchUp Core. Your design is not just drawn, but crafted.